Let's take a look at the Blendjet 2 blender. This is a great little device for smoothies on the go as it's light and compact, and that makes it nice and easy to slip into your bag. It's got super fast blades that spin 275 times a second with power that can even crush ice. So if you're in a rush in the morning, but you still want to take your iced coffee into work, this has definitely got you covered. You just put in the ingredients and you can blend while you walk. Super easy. The button's got 3 different modes, including blend by pressing once, pulse by double tapping the button to activate, and lock by holding down the button till the circle completes, and that's really useful for added safety. It's also got a great battery life that's going to last long enough to make 15 drinks without needing to recharge, and then when it does need some more juice, no pun intended, you just plug it into a USB port. Another great thing about this is that it does double up as a cup as well, so you can drink and blend in the same container. That's going to halve the wash load. And then when it does come to washing, you barely even have to worry about that. You just put in some water and detergent and it's going to clean itself at the touch of a button.